Imagine tiny high-tech nanorobots that can identify cancer forming at a cellular level and hunt down complex cancer cells.
My name is Shawn.
And I'm Lisa.
We are the co-founders of Nanocube Health.
We are developing game-changing technology that has the potential to save lives. 7 out of 10 people with pancreatic cancer will die within the first year of being diagnosed.
I had loss in my family, so that inspired Nanocube Health.
There are no early-stage screening tools, which compounds the issue.
Nanorobots are very, very tiny particles. You can fit 80,000 of them on one strand of hair. They swim through the bloodstream and find cancer early on before they grow at a cellular level, and that's the advantage. That's a huge advantage.
The lack of screening tools is an issue in Australia, but it's also an issue globally. We are an early-stage startup, but we have a global vision. The biggest challenge we face is finding our first believers. Australia is still developing and growing in terms of appetite for deep tech, but given that we have a vision of saving lives, I think there are people in Australia that are interested in what we're doing as well. We've had support from CSIRO as well as Deakin University. It's also great having tech brands like Dell who can support us to grow and scale. Our vision is to have a positive impact on people's health and survival on a global scale. We are at Melbourne Airport. Can't believe the time has come to go. It's going to be a really busy week, really excited to get going.